My Recipe for Success by Sidra Naeem, the Deputy Lieutenant for the County of Essex. Shy and quiet are the adjectives I can think of when I was a child. There were many factors contributing to my journey to success. Racism witnessed through my childhood eyes, Islamophobia rife after 9/11, and the media's portrayal of Muslim women being oppressed hence led to the need to be a good female role model. I mixed the raw ingredients to mirror the character that my dad was. He came to this country at a time where racism was rife and also immigrants were looked down upon, and he rose above all of that. And hence, I used all of these ingredients to beat the stigma out there, and hence my journey starts. After reflection, this propelled me forward to have a clear vision. I could clearly see an ambition to change the narrative of racism and increasing Islamophobia. I had to focus on adopting the right attitude. I can do it. I will do it. And then watch me, I've done it. Marching forward with determination, organization, and planning is a journey towards a desired destination. I learned the importance of timekeeping. Every minute spent organizing is an hour saved. Some decisive action after the talk, time to do the walk. Start the voluntary work. 3 degrees, a master's and a doctorate, diplomas and training in religion, mental health, special needs, science, education, and a strong work ethic. Diamonds are made under great pressure. It is by hard labor you get gold from the mines. Likewise, hard work and dedication is the catalyst you need to go towards glittering success. I'm looking at your earrings there. On my journey as a traveler, I came across many obstacles, blocked roads, no entry signs, bridges of jealousy and hatred to cross. So perseverance and resilience was the motorway to take. And from my holy book, I knew after hardship comes ease. And I knew the word fail isn't fail. Fail spells out F-A-I-L. And what does that mean? First attempt in learning. And no, oh no, that doesn't mean no. No is N-O. And N-O means next opportunity. And end, it's not the end. Oh no, it's not the end. E-N-D stands for effort never dies. I discovered that if you act professional, people take you more seriously. And things like wearing smart clothes and good morals and good manners and be punctual and the importance of teamwork. I started my career as a scientist, and I learned that like carbon atoms can come together to form diamonds, together we are stronger. As a teacher, I have never lost my thirst for knowledge and quenched it with continuous learning. And all of that inspired me to write 3 books. The media portrayed Muslims as bombers, but I was called Miss Dynamite, igniting others through my passion and enthusiasm. And the love of what I was doing or learning to do fueled others, igniting positive energy. Muslim women are oppressed was the headline news. I empowered so many people, especially women, and helped with their confidence and well-being. As a school teacher, I knew the importance of keeping things fun. If it is not fun, it is not worth doing. As a teacher specialized in special needs and mental health, and a chaplain, my events became an addiction. And I injected the drug to happiness. open-mindedness, non-judgmental, kind and caring, problems listening, it's you I'm hearing. Everyone is gifted. They just unwrap their parcels at different times. And each butterfly flies at different heights, all beautiful. So why compare? And everyone is a different kind of flower. And all together, we make this world a beautiful garden. I hope people of all types, the unwell, the disabled and the BAME, all the voluntary work then led to fame. I slowly started getting comfortable with my own identity and confident with who I am. I am who I am, not who you think I am, not who you want me to be. I am me. Take your hijab off, people advised me. I thought that was mean. I never took my hijab off, even when I went to see the Queen. I became an ambassador for my faith and a good role model. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, show them and they will learn. My mission accomplished. Yes, I did it. Yeehaw. I climbed up the steps to success to reach a high platform. No woman from the BAME, Black, Asian, minority, ethnic had stood upon in Essex and empowered so many along the way. After night comes the dawn of the new day, and our recipe for success is complete. Let us now enjoy the meal together. Thank you.